Musk highlights advancements in artificial intelligence, particularly deepfake technology and GPT models, illustrating the swift pace of innovation. However, these developments also raise significant concerns regarding their societal implications. The conversation shifts to the role of government in ensuring AI safety prior to model releases, a point Musk firmly supports. He stresses that regulatory oversight is essential for safeguarding public welfare. Musk compares government regulation of AI to referees in sports, underscoring the vital role oversight plays in ensuring fair practices. He insists that a balance must be struck between fostering innovation and ensuring safety. Industry leaders emphasize the necessity for independent oversight in AI development to ensure accountability and safety. Such oversight is crucial in mitigating potential risks that accompany AI advancements. The discussion brings to light the significance of international cooperation on AI safety, particularly among the US, UK, and China. Engaging global partners is vital for creating effective regulatory frameworks. Open-source AI models introduce both opportunities and risks. While they have the potential to foster innovation, they can also be misused by malicious entities. Striking a balance between algorithmic transparency and safety emerges as a crucial concern. AI's integration into the workforce is poised to create new job opportunities rather than replace existing ones, serving as a co-pilot for human workers. This shift highlights the need for retraining and educational initiatives. The prospect of AI surpassing human intelligence raises profound questions about job relevance and personal fulfillment in an automated age. Navigating this duality presents both opportunities and challenges for society. The notion of universal access to AI envisions an era of abundance, characterized by the plentiful availability of goods and services. Nonetheless, it also compels us to ponder the quest for meaning and purpose in our lives. The transition to AI in the workforce has the potential to relieve individuals from dangerous and monotonous jobs, enabling them to focus on more fulfilling work. This shift could significantly enhance job satisfaction for many. AI possesses transformative potential in education, offering personalized tutoring that adapts to individual learning styles. This innovation could revolutionize the educational experience for students globally. The concept of AI companionship opens up intriguing possibilities for social interaction and support, particularly for individuals facing learning disabilities or social challenges. Such AI can provide consistent and understanding friendship. Emphasizing the importance of transparency in community notes, users can track data origins and create their own notes, thereby enhancing trust in the shared information. AI plays a vital role in analyzing contributor perspectives, aiding in the establishment of credibility by identifying agreements among historically opposing viewpoints on specific notes. Maintaining a commitment to truth is paramount for the community note system, ensuring users can depend on accurate information, even when it may challenge their beliefs or be uncomfortable. A pro-innovation regulatory framework is essential for attracting top entrepreneurial talent globally. This system must effectively balance necessary safeguards with the freedom to innovate. Fostering a culture that embraces failure is crucial for entrepreneurial success. Viewing unsuccessful startups as learning experiences rather than as terminal failures can lead to growth. Tax policies significantly impact startup ecosystems by promoting high-risk investments. A favorable capital gains tax structure could motivate entrepreneurs to pursue innovative projects. Integrating AI into customer service will enhance support efficiency, leading to improved overall satisfaction and quicker resolution times for users. Companies stand to gain substantially from this technology. AI's role as a tutor can greatly assist students in grasping complex subjects, serving as an accessible resource tailored to individual learning needs. This advancement could ease the challenges of homeschooling. Concerns regarding the safety of humanoid robots underscore the necessity for hardwired local shutoff mechanisms to prevent unintended consequences. Such measures are essential for maintaining control over AI innovations. AI systems now surpass humans in traditional testing scenarios, leading to challenges in distinguishing human actions from AI responses. This raises questions about the integrity of online interactions. Implementing small fees for utilizing AI technology could serve as a deterrent against the proliferation of AI-powered bots and scams. This approach may help curb the exploitation of technology for fraudulent activities. The emergence of fake profiles and misinformation campaigns leveraging AI poses significant threats to social media platforms. Addressing these challenges necessitates active research and prompt actions to mitigate associated risks. The influence of manipulated images on public perception is profound, often causing harm before the truth is unveiled. This reality emphasizes the urgent need for improved media verification methods. As we approach upcoming global elections, the challenge of misinformation looms large. Ensuring the integrity of these elections is crucial for the health of democracies across the globe. AI holds the potential for groundbreaking solutions, yet it also carries inherent risks. Striking a balance between these factors will ultimately determine whether technology yields positive outcomes for society.